Alright, Scott Xavier here, and I'm going to teach you how to make a Hepa air filter super easy, no sewing required. All you need is an air filter. I'm using a Milwaukee Hepa replacement filter because Hepa filters block up to 0.03 microns, which the coronavirus is 0.07 microns, which is smaller and falls perfectly between the acceptable blockage range. Look at that. So what we have to do is somehow take off the top and the bottom, and then you get all this material to cover over your mask, which is a perfect size. And we've got some cloth from Walmart, and we've got rubber bands to adhere it around the ears, and I've got some vinyl gloves, which you can never go wrong with vinyl gloves. All right, let's see how we can tear this off.
So they're stuck up there, I see. Taking a razor blade and just cutting the inside layer here, maybe I'll pry it open.
So all you have to do is peel off that material right here and pull it, and it should fit perfectly just like that. Make an estimation. I'm going to cut right here. And this is the filter that will block all the viruses out, if you could hear that. Now we need something to put an end to secure it. That way you can wash the mask and just replace this if you need to. I guesstimated how much I'm gonna need. Let's do double that. So here, about there. It's not precise, you don't need exact measurements at all. You can double up the material if you wanted it even more protective, I guess. I don't know if it's really going to protect it more by having more cloth. I just got some cheap cloth that was a decent color at Walmart. They were out of headbands. I was just going to use a headband. So we got this like that. Okay, so we just place the air filter, Hepa filter, right in between the layers. Fold it on top so that it is nice and secure like that. Make it look pretty. And then all you need is a rubber band here. Goes right around there. And a rubber band on the other side. Go all the way to the HEPA filter, creating a tight seal right around there. And then fold the ends in like that and flatten. And I've made a pretty decent, probably better than everything you've seen out there since Hepa blocks viruses, stronger n95 mask. Look at that. How silly does it look? I'll run some spray tests to make sure it's secure, and I'll get back to you guys.